Hello, good morning. I'm here today to present you with a quick guided meditative process. I figure it would be a great gift for you, and if you like it, then you can do it. And if you don't, then I still get this experience where I get to practice my speaking, my rhythm, my flow. I do have designs of one day maybe leading some group fitness and or meditative yoga. I doesn't have to all be here now. I just have to be willing to practice it. So, if you'll indulge me, we can certainly begin. The best way to meditate I've found is to honestly just look forward to it as you do anything else. If you want to do it, it becomes so much easier to find a time and a place. A place for me is almost as important as time. I can do it any time of the day, but I really want to do it in a place that I feel most comfortable in. For me, that's this area here. I've done it in my bedroom, but really, bedroom is for sleeping and preparing for the next day, and less so for meditation. Uh, Things like the living room, again, they're really for sitting with people and talking, and that doesn't really suit this either. So, anywho, if you'll indulge me, I want you to find a place where you're comfortable and just take a seat on the floor or in a chair. I would like you to rest your hands on your knees. Doesn't matter where, doesn't matter how, doesn't matter what you do with your fingers. I actually prefer to do a scholar's cradle. That's me. Please stretch your back up. Get any of those final kinks out. And take a deep breath in. Take a very nice breath out. I'm gonna repeat. As you're breathing, slowly shift into breathing through your nose if you can. Now just imagine that all around you is this nice white aura, this mist, if you will. As you breathe in, just imagine that you're breathing it in, taking it into your lungs, and through your diaphragm. As you breathe out, I want you to exhale the air, but condense this white mist that just fills your body. Condense it down into a singular point, a small ball of white. I want it to be radiant and pure. Inside of you is a pure point that exists, and it's yours. And I want you to build it today. Just breathe in, condense into this ball. Now, I want you to think about your day. What are you planning to do? What do you want to do? What are you anxious about? Is there anything coming up that's large enough for you to wake up thinking about it? Whether it's good or bad, I would like you to take those emotions, unpack them from the events. Imagine yourself pushing them into this ball of light. You built this ball of light. Now take your emotions and set them into the ball. And as you breathe and condense, more of this mist is just going to cover your emotions. They're still there, they're yours, and they're inside you. But now, they no longer have significance here. What you have is a list of things that you're going to get done today. A list of things you're going to work towards in the future. You see yourself doing them? How are you going to get them done? You don't have to decide now. But I want you to feel the separation from your emotions and your actions. Today, you're deliberate. You're intentional. What you do today is going to matter tomorrow. I think you're ready for it. Just take a few more breaths with me. And when and if you're ready, just open your eyes. Do you feel different? Do you feel a stillness inside you? I hope you do, but no matter how you feel, it should feel good. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope that you'll give me some kind of feedback on this, or you won't, and that'll be okay too. Good morning.